In a far-off land, in the heart of a towering oak tree, lived a small hawk named Hawkman. Hawkman was different from the other hawks. He had a kind heart and a curious mind. He loved to explore the vast sky, watching over the meadows and forests below. One day, as Hawkman was soaring through the sky, he saw a tiny creature in trouble. It was a baby squirrel, stuck in a tall, thorny bush. Hawkman swooped down, careful not to hurt himself on the thorns. He gently plucked the squirrel from the bush, and flew it back to its home in the tall oak tree. The squirrel's family thanked Hawkman for his help. From that day on, they became good friends, and Hawkman often visited them in their tree. One day, a storm came. The wind was fierce, and the rain was pounding. Hawkman saw the squirrel family huddled together, scared and cold. Without hesitation, Hawkman flew through the storm, braving the wind and rain. He returned with a warm, dry leaf and placed it around the squirrel family. They huddled together, safe and warm. The squirrel family was grateful. They thanked Hawkman for his bravery and kindness. From that day on, Hawkman was known as the bravest and kindest hawk in the land. As the sun set, Hawkman soared back to his tree, his heart full of love and joy. He knew he had made a difference, and that was all that mattered to him. And so, the tale of Hawkman spread throughout the land. Children would listen to the story, learning about the importance of kindness and bravery. And every time they heard the tale, they would remember the small hawk who made a big difference. The end.